Mate, just turn the car off for us, hey? Mate, grab all your stuff out. You're just under arrest at the moment for unlicensed driving. This is a search warrant, all right, for your address that we're going to execute now.
Any reason for that speed? Alright, in relation to your offences tonight, that's your penalty that's incurred. You've got one for your speed, you've got one for not having your green keys on there, and one for being unregistered as well. 185 on this sort of greatly dangerous, yes?
Hey team, how we going? And obviously then it also doesn't comply with the emissions scheme or the noise. Alright, noise level it's supposed to comply with, alright. You can only go to 18-inch rims. You can't go to 20s, which is what you've got at the moment. Insecure battery. Where's your air filter?
Shine a light on the whole thing.
Oh, God. Talk about engine leak.
What's this?
What's the ratchet strap doing on the frame at the bottom of the engine? There's a ratchet strap acting as an engine mount.
So it's going to be a defect notice, right? It's major, it's dangerous, so you can't drive. We can organise a tow or get someone to bring a trailer, alright? Defective vehicle and a lot of missing things, alright? In regards to P's, man, I know it's a silly thing. Just go to Servo, buy new ones, man. You just got to have them properly out. Man, it's going to come with 6 points, $1,034.
Mate, this thing's highly illegal. There's so many safety issues on it. Not only the fact that it's held with a ratchet strap of the engine, doesn't take much to break that, but you've got leaking engine, your brakes are disconnected on purpose. You've got all kinds of other issues going on, alright? So mate, this is one time obviously you are under arrest. You're under arrest in relation to evading police, so you're not free to leave at any time, alright? Do you know the speed limit here? Do you know what speed you got to? Over 140. You nearly, you doubled the speed limit here. You're close to doubling it over there down the road into the roundabout. You didn't indicate at the roundabout, you cut lanes. Okay, obviously there's some defects on your car, mate, so we'll talk about that. I don't know why your bumper's in the back seat, but... Mate, all good. You guys are free to go. Obviously you can't drive, but you're welcome to get a car trailer or a tow truck and tow it.